Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study the market for investment, step by step. First, begin by understanding the broader economic picture. This involves looking at macroeconomic factors such as gross domestic product growth, inflation, and interest rates. These indicators provide crucial insights into the overall health and direction of the economy, which profoundly influences all investment opportunities. Consider global events and policy changes, as they can significantly shift market sentiment and asset values. Next, narrow your focus to specific industries and sectors. Investigate their unique characteristics, including their growth potential, competitive dynamics, and regulatory frameworks. Understanding an industry's life cycle, whether it is emerging, growing, or mature, helps you gauge its future prospects. Look for sectors with strong tailwinds and sustainable competitive advantages, as these often present more robust investment opportunities over the long term. Once you have identified promising sectors, delve into company-specific analysis. This involves a deep dive into individual businesses, scrutinizing their financial statements, assessing the quality of their management team, and identifying their unique competitive advantages. Pay close attention to valuation metrics, such as the price-to-earnings ratio and debt-to-equity ratio, to determine if a company is fairly priced relative to its intrinsic value and peers. Finally, assess the risks associated with your potential investments. No investment is without risk, so understanding and mitigating these factors is crucial. Diversify your portfolio across various asset classes and sectors to spread risk effectively. Develop a clear, well-defined investment strategy based on your financial goals and risk tolerance, and commit to a long-term perspective for optimal results. This disciplined approach is key to successful investing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.